Have you asked the question of why people confess to crimes in books and songs they write? Many times these confessions land us into trouble, but people keep doing it. The latest and most discussed issue on the internet today is the status of Prince Harry's immigration being questioned because he lied about his drug use on his visa application and confessed to using drugs and psychedelics in his book Spare. In today's video, we will answer the question, will Prince Harry be expelled from the USA? After Prince Harry and Meghan Markle decided to take a break from their royal duties and move to the US, has long not been fun of the Trump administration, as Meghan has openly referred to Donald Trump as divisive and misogynistic in some statements. Trump has also not been a fan of the couple, as he has also made fun of their marriage and mentioned that Prince Harry is being whipped by his wife. After months of court hearings and proceedings, Judge Carl Nicholas has decided to show some parts of Prince Harry's visa application details, as this can reduce the speculations and rumors being made about the state of Prince Harry's immigration status. On the 5th of February 2025, Judge Carl Nicholas called for a hearing that included the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, DHS, where the details of Prince Harry's visa application being made public were scrutinized to know which ones would be made public and which won't be, so that privacy won't be breached. However, John Bardo, one of the DHS lawyers, mentioned that if the visa application records are edited, some parts may be unrecognizable. Judge Carl also mentioned that although that may be true, a final consensus has not been reached on the issue of disclosing the records, and also mentioned that any decision taken will be duly communicated. However, Judge Carl Nicholas demanded that those records be made private in September, which indicates that he's had access to these records for a while. Although Prince Harry is not directly involved in the case, revealing those records resolving this case will determine his state of stay in the USA. Heritage Foundation filed the case after they made demands for the publication of the visa application details under the Freedom of Information Act. They stated that Prince Harry should have been denied the visa because of his past drug use and lies told in the application process. This has set the internet ablaze and sent the court and the whole country into a debate, especially after it was revealed in his 2023 memoirs named Spare that he used drugs and psychedelics like cocaine, shrooms, but it didn't affect his visa process and status, stating that it was not the nice and fun experience he expected, and it also did not make him excited, as those around him felt, but it made him feel what he wanted to feel, which was to feel different. Whilst it is not known which visa Prince Harry applied for, some rumors have stated that, just like every other diplomat and other foreign government officials and their spouses, Prince Harry applied for the A1 visa, which grants him some form of leniency whilst living in America, unlike other immigrants who would undergo strict scrutiny. If the visa type is also confirmed to be an A1 visa, then there will be more debate concerning the case at hand and will make others wonder if he is being given some form of favors because of his royal stays. Since Donald Trump's government has vowed to do everything by the books and leave no stone unturned, the Heritage Foundation seems to be leaning toward that to demand bold measures to be taken against Prince Harry. While all this talk is going on and people are uncertain about Prince Harry's immigration status, the relationship between the U.S. administration and the royal family is being put into consideration. In view of this, Helena Shard also mentioned how Donald Trump values his affiliation to influential families like the British royal family and wouldn't do anything to ruin that connection. Trump also admires King Charles III and has publicly shown his admiration towards Prince William by complimenting him. Trump puts America before anything else, and so he will not engage in any activity that will endanger the great nation. When asked whether this could have been an oversight of the DHS, Donald Trump answered, saying, "I don't know. One would have thought they knew a long time ago," as he referred to Joe Biden's administration as the "they." On Friday, 7th February 2025, Donald Trump stated in a New York Post interview that he wouldn't deport or expel Prince Harry from the USA when he stated that he already had enough marital problems, noting, "I'll leave him alone. I don't want to do that. He's got enough problems with his wife. She's terrible." After President Donald Trump's statement, Prince Harry has been cautioned to keep a low profile and work towards more charitable events, as that could quiet down the rumors and make him gain favors in the sight of the public, and also rebrand their identity as dignitary from the royal family. This goes without saying that the Heritage Foundation is of the view that Prince Harry was given special treatment by Joe Biden's government and still demands that appropriate action be taken by Trump's administration. However, it is now conclusive that Prince Harry is free to come and go as he pleases, and can also remain in the US as long as he pleases, even after his confession in the book, which is now one of the best sellers. He is probably not welcomed at home in Britain since he has said nasty things about royal family members, things like Kate was chosen to be William's wife because she is the right height and weight. If he is expelled from USA, he will be poor homeless person. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.